Do you want to learn how to add Calendly to WordPress Elementor? In this video, I help solve that problem. Open up your WP admin page, and then inside the pages, you will see Elementor here. If you do not have Elementor installed, go into plugins, install plugins, and add a new plugin. Now here, just search for the Elementor, install it and activate it. Now go back to pages, and I'm going to use the sample page. I don't see Elementor here, so I'm going to click on edit and edit with Elementor. Click on this loading page, and it's going to redirect us to the Elementor design page. Now we are editing this page with Elementor. I'm going to remove this. I'm going to add a flex box. Click on this plus icon, and in widgets, search for HTML in widgets and add this widget onto our page. Now on this, we need an HTML code. So we will go to Calendly and log in. You need to have an event type already made. Once you have an event type set, next to it, we will see this cog icon. Click on it and then click on add to website. It's going to give you this pop-up which says, how do you want to add Calendly to your site? You will click on the first one, which is inline embed. Continue. It's going to give us this embed code. You will copy this, copy the code, and then go back to our Elementor page. And in HTML code, we're just going to paste this here, and it's going to show the Calendly on the page. Now you can publish this. And if you look at this page in the front end, we will see the Calendly is now set on the page, and the user can interact with it and set up a booking. Or you can use another method, which is using a Calendly plugin. Just search for Calendly Elementor, and it's going to give you these options which are made by the community. You can add something like this, which is happy add-ons for Elementor. These provide many Elementor widgets, and in which one of them could be Calendly widget as well, which will be an easy way to add Calendly to your Elementor page. But if you do it this way, it's much faster, because all we did was use the HTML code from Calendly, copied it, put it on our Elementor page, and that's it, done. And this is how you can add Calendly to your Elementor WordPress. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.